Hello everyone, welcome again to my new video about VIRTUSA online coding assessment questions. So here in this video, we are going to discuss another one question, and along with the questions, we will discuss the answers and step-by-step execution of the program. So here is the question. This question is based on a string and arrays. So the question is saying that you have to flip a coin multiple times, and the result of the coin flipping coil will be either heads or tails. So after flipping the coin, if you get heads, you get 2 points, and for each tails, you lose 1 point. So if you get head means 2 points will be added into your score, and if you get tails means 1 point will be subtracted from your score. Also one more condition is given here. If you get 3 consecutive heads means the game will be automatically over, means it will complete the game, and you have to calculate the final score. At the end of the game you have to calculate the final score, and also you have to return an integer value of the final score. So now we move to the coding part of this question. Okay, here is the programming of that question, toss and scores. And after the running of the program, I will show you the output, and then I will try to explain step by step execution of this program. As you can see here, the program is written for the toss and scores, and now I will run this program. So after the running of the program, you can see here final score is 3. So now I will try to explain step by step and backend of this program how the final score came 3. So now I have copied this code and pasted it here. Here you can see I have created a public class toss and score. Then I have created a user defined method that is calculate final score. I have created this user defined method to calculate the final score after checking all the condition and after taking all the results. So we two things we have to check. One, we have to return the final score after the completion of the game, and we have to check one more condition, that is 3 consecutive heads. So for the final score, I have created a variable score and initialized with 0. Then I have taken a variable consecutive heads and initialized with 0. Then after, I have taken a for each loop that will iterate through each character. Here character H denotes heads and character T denotes tails. So this for each loop will iterate through each of the character, and then it will check if condition. If the result is head means it will increment the consecutive heads, and also it will add 2 in the score. And then it will check the else part. Then it will check if the result is not heads means it is tail. Then it will reset the consecutive heads to 0, and then it will subtract 1 from the final score. And also one more condition is checking here, that is of consecutive heads. If we will get the 3 consecutive heads, this loop will breaks out automatically. After the completion of the loop, after iterating through each character, we have to return a final score. So up to now we have created a user defined method, and we have checked all the conditions and returned the final score. Now in the main method, as you can see here I have declared a main method, and in the main method a string name toss result I have taken, and also randomly I have created a result of flipping coin, that is head tail head head, and you can take any random generated results of toss. So the calculator final score is called. So I have taken a variable final score, and I will store the final score in this variable, and then I have called user defined method calculate final score and pass the toss results that I have declared here, randomly generated results that I have declared here. Then and this toss results will be passed to the calculate final score as a parameter. After the calculation of the program, it will display the final score. So first I have created a user defined method, and then taken a string s to store. I have created a string s to store the toss result. Then I have declared a score variable initialized with 0, and consecutive heads variable initialized 0. Then I have taken a for each loop and checked all the condition, that is if the head consecutive heads will be increments, and then score will be 2. And then else part, if the result is not head, the consecutive heads variable will be resetted to 0, and then a score 1 will be subtracted from the score. Then I have checked the consecutive head condition, and then I have returned the final score. Now in the main method I have taken a random results of the toss, and then I have passed this toss result as a parameter to the user defined function. Now I am going to explain how we got the answer 3 and the final score we got 3, means how it came. So here is the result. You can see head, tail, head, head, tail, tail. So for each head we will get 2 points, and each tail we will one will be subtracted from the final score. So here score will be 2 initially, so we'll get head, then tail, then the score will be 2 minus 1, that is 1. After the next flip, we'll get head, means 2 plus 1 equal to 3, score will be 3. Then next head, 3 plus 2, the score will be 5. Then tail, 5 minus 1, score will be 4, and then tail 4 minus 1, score will be 3. So here is a 3 is the final score after getting the results after the completion of the program. So I hope you will get to know how we got the 3 as a final score. If you have still doubt in this video, you ping me in the comment. I will try to explain. If you don't understand this program, repeat this video again, and I know you will understand the program. So see you in the next video. Until, thank you for watching the video.